Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, unlock the Samsung or use the lock screen emergency call button to save time. Tap phone, then dial the emergency number for your area, 112 or 911 in many places. Once dialed, press call. Make sure speaker is enabled if you cannot hold the phone. Explain where you are briefly and clearly, landmarks, building number, floor. Keep calm. Pause between sentences so the dispatcher can ask questions and you can respond accurately. Once connected, prioritize giving a precise location. Open maps and drop a pin if you can, then read the street address or coordinates aloud. If you can't speak, make the phone share location via SMS or an emergency sharing feature. Tell the dispatcher you sent it. If indoors, say floor, room, or stairwell. Keep the call focused. Answer dispatcher questions directly so responders can find you faster. You finish only when the dispatcher releases you. Follow instructions for first aid or evacuation and confirm an estimated arrival time. If the call drops or won't connect, enable Wi-Fi calling or send your maps link via SMS to a contact or emergency services text line. If you cannot speak, use the Samsung SOS feature. Press power plus volume quickly to send alerts and location. Troubleshooting tip: reboot if all else fails, then retry calls and location sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.